Thank you for clicking on it. So today, I am doing a video, a collab with my friend Adriana.
I'm right here.
I'll put her YouTube channel down in the description. But I'm excited because we are doing a collab. I think I already said that. With and we're gonna be like, the video will be like trying to make the biggest bubble. Attempting to make it the biggest bubble in the world. So yeah, let's get on the video. So I just wanted to show you guys the slime. So this is the slime. Oh no. There we go. This is the slime. It's a little sticky. So we're trying to, Adriana's trying to set up hers. I'll show Adriana once again. Adriana, I'm trying to set up the camera. That looks at me. Okay, well this is the slime, and it's kind of a little sticky. I'm gonna add some game. But yeah, so I'll also put our slime, our slime YouTube. And we haven't posted anything yet. And our I forgot. Our slime you know what? Let's just get on the video.
Slimes.
SA Slimes. Okay, let's just get on the video. So here, I'll start yours. Thank you. Okay, so ready?
This is so sticky.
This is so sticky. Let's add a little bit more game. No, you. Oh my gosh.
Why don't you guys use that green pad to do it?
Okay.
Okay. Mix. Oh.
I mean, it's not gonna all land on the green pad, but you know, we're good. I just grabbed some. Oh my gosh, your camera's so much better, guys.
Okay, ready?
Okay, let's try it. Oh,
I'm scared. Okay.
Oh my gosh, there's string on here already. I mean, this is probably gonna get pretty dirty because, you know.
Okay, ready?
I'm scared.
Down. Get that in a slow motion. Oh my god.
We need to put that.
Crunch. Ultimate crunch. Wait, don't crunch yet.
Sticky.
Ready?
Nope. This is so sticky.
Ready? That was such a lame crunch.
Like, totally not.
People are Snapchatting me. We're gonna have to use your camera soon. I'm dying.
Well, then you get.
I didn't bring my charger, did I? No, I didn't.
Huh?
I didn't bring my charger. Ready?
Wait.
Russ.
So sticky.
Okay, ready?
Wait. So sticky.
I'm gonna. Okay, get on your knees. Get on your knees like this.
Just do it on your knees. Like, just lift up onto your knees. You have to stay on your knees.
Okay.
Cause you're going too high, and then it's just ripping.
That was a lame one. Okay, hurry.
Get it all off the ground. Okay, well, I guess we'll be back when we're done unsticking.
Welcome with the strange tattoo. Okay, ready?
This is like really good slime.
1, 2.
Knees, no feet.
Oh, that was a fail. I already knew it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that was a pretty good crunch. That wasn't too lame.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. Guys, we added a little bit more gain. So
Off camera.
yeah.
Ready? Set. Down. Oh! Get a slow motion of that.
Once we make it, I'm gonna put like the one that we make.
See,
I'm gonna put in slow motion. Okay, so
My camera's gonna die.
her camera's gonna die.
My camera's gonna die, so hurry, let's try and get a good one for mine.
Okay.
Oh!
No, don't pop it! Oh, stop it!
Oh my god!
We could have filmed it. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do a couple more off camera, and then we're gonna come back like when we're really good at it.
Okay, guys,
you're not
bye.
gonna see our faces.
Okay.
So we've been practicing. We
We made like 2, 1, good one. Ready, set, down. Oh! That would have been a good one, except unless it, and if it didn't rip.
It didn't hit me.
That flopped. That replay that. It was like a. Okay. Wait, no. Hang on. I feel like it's better in a ball. Wait, slow.
Oh,
Replay that, guys. Oh, good job dropping the camera. Oh my
so
God.
when it makes a big one, then don't pop it, Adriana. Okay?
We'll keep.
Because I'm gonna tell them.
Well, it might go down.
Yeah, but
I'll grab the camera.
You don't
straight
pop it.
I'll grab the camera, okay?
Because you don't pop it, and I'm gonna tell. We're gonna link your Snapchat, and they have to take a picture, Snapchat it,
Yeah.
and send it to you.
Yeah,
and the first 5 who does it, maybe they'll get some slime.
Free slime or shout out.
Yeah,
Okay.
shout out. Oh, there's hair in it.
No, I
There's
get that.
hair in it. Ew.
It's okay.
No, like that it doesn't stretch as well. Oh, lovely.
Okay.
Got picked up on the ground.
Okay, we're gonna practice a couple off camera. We'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
So
We got one.
So that was a really good one. It would have been
off
really big.
camera.
But it was off camera. I was so bad, yeah.
Put it down.
Wait,
No,
wait.
Adriana,
Let's do it from a different angle.
No, they're never gonna see it. Oh yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go from a little closer this time. No.
Ooh, that looked creepy. I'm giving those to my niece. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
A little close up. No, we're done.
Okay.
When it pops like that, don't do it, Sailor.
But
Guys!
wait, just put a little farther because we don't want slime on the camera.
Okay.
A little bit farther away.
Guys, question of the day. What slime have you what slime have you made yet? Like snow slime, diaper slime? We're gonna make diaper slime.
Sorry if that looks a little creepy. That's what we're setting you guys against. There you go. I'm giving those to my niece. Okay.
Oh, guys, we lost our game. Okay, we'll be right back,
No,
okay?
let's try one more. We're trying one
I
more.
feel like this is gonna be the last one. Woke up with a strange tattoo. Not sure how I got it. Redo that.
Redo.
Stop. I crunched it this time.
Okay. You're sitting on our guys' legs.
It's gonna be a hole.
Oh.
That one was so good. Remember?
Yeah, we did one off camera that was really good. And
No.
we did one on camera.
Yeah. I'm doing the next one after that.
Okay, well, we'll do that.
I was just about to say something. So, guys, put
Yes.
it up here because they'll be able to see the bubble. But, guys, this is gonna be our last one because I wanted to make diaper slime before we go. So, yeah.
Yeah, 'cause we leave it here at 4:30, girls.
No, it was my crunch. No, it wasn't crunch. So we decided that.
We get one more.
Yeah. So we're gonna do one more, and then we're gonna do the outro.
No, I'm
Careful,
gonna do the
sorry.
outro.
We're gonna do the outro.
I am. Get off of my hands.
Okay.
I just locked myself in a room because Adriana's chasing me. Because she wants to do the outro with me. But, that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked it. Squash that like button. Subscribe. Turn that subscribe button red to gray. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. I can't speak. And, go check out Adriana's channel. And hope you like this video. Share with all your friends. Bye!